How to get image ID on Roblox. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily get image ID or decal ID on Roblox. For that, you're first going to have to go to this place over here on roblox.com. Once you get to Roblox, you want to head over to create and go to the creators tab. And once you're there, on the top corner you'll find the option for marketplace. So basically visit the marketplace from there. If you don't see the marketplace here, you could just go back over to your Roblox and then you should be able to find the marketplace there. So I'll just go back here, go to marketplace, and then from these category, I can just select images. From all items, I can just select images here and then get their decal. Now you can search for decals or images here on the search bar. And then once you have your images, you could just go ahead and select any image you want. So I'll just go ahead and click this one for now. And then you'll get this decal ID. You basically have to copy this on the URL, not the slash, but just the numbers. You can just go ahead and copy this. Now go to your Roblox studio and then go to your place or your experience. And once you head over to your experience, you could just go ahead and make sure to add a decal. So for that, what I'm going to do first is go to part. Let's wait for everything to load up. It's just a basic base plate. So what I'm going to do is go to part. Here you'll see the part option. You'll get this part over here. I'm going to go to scale. Let's make it a bit bigger so that it's easier for you to see. Let's move it somewhere around here. All right, so once you have it over here, your part, you can add a decal. So go to the part, click on this plus icon, and then search for decal. Click on it, and then under texture, under appearance here, you can scroll down and add paste your part ID. Now to paste your part ID here, you basically have to copy the URL. So I'll just go over to here on my Chrome. Let's say if I want this image, I can copy this entire URL. Then I'll go back to my studio, go to texture, and then on URL, paste this, hit enter. And now the image will be added on your decal. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.